Hey, Life on Fire people, this is Leanne Lyon. I'm excited to share a couple things with you today. It's November 15th, Self-Promotion Day. So I wanted to share something actually that could be helping you in your summits, in your business, whether you're launching a book, a podcast, whatever it is, you need an online presence, right? My summit isn't coming up until January, but I am starting to market for it right now. In other words, I'm trying to find those people that will be interested by the time I get there. So I have a strong group to go to. Would you like to know how? Okay, I'm going to share a couple slides here. Try to keep this quick for you. But as you probably know, ignoring online marketing is like opening a business, but not telling anybody. Let's not do that. Agreed? Okay. There is, however, 80% of consumers who will lose trust in a business when information is not online, or even worse, it's incorrect or unavailable. So if you can't update it, if you can't change it at 2 o'clock on Saturday because you're relying on somebody else, that can be a problem. You know, how do you have more control? How do you have the ability to make updates and changes when you need to? Because things happen, right? Especially when you're running summits and things can change and people can change. What are you going to do if you have to make changes quickly? 99% of independent business owners do not have a professional online marketing presence. Think about that. The big businesses do. Don't worry, Best Buy is covered, Amazon's got it. We don't have to be complicated like them, but we have to have something. 99% of independent business owners, that's a lot of us. A lot of us that are working from home, putting up green screens in our bedrooms, or right? Maybe we're network marketing people and we're like, hey, my company gives me a website. Do they really, or are they marketing themselves and just putting your face on the corner? I'm a real estate agent as well. I have a real estate website with my picture in it, marketing the real estate broker, right? Okay, so we have to learn to market ourselves. We need our brand out there so that we can talk about who we are. So last summer, I'm an affiliate marketer. I found an affiliate marketing product, which is what I'm showing you. And it was put in place by this gentleman, Justin Bellababa. I think he knows what he's doing because he went to the school most people have heard of called Harvard. He has created and sold 2 tech companies before, and now in 2017 started this one. Basically, he has poured millions into creating this because he's passionate about one particular group of people that he thinks needs access to better marketing, and that's us. The small business owners, the partnerships, the solopreneurs, the mompreneurs, the coffee shops, right? The small businesses truly that need the marketing, not just sales, because sales is what we mostly spend our time doing. A lot of us are like, buy my book, listen to my podcast, buy, sell, sell, sell. Why? Because we have a mortgage payment due. Because we have to pay for our cell phone, because our kids are going to college, or whatever's going on. That car payment is coming up again. So we're always a little bit, many of us, in this gotta sell mode. But that's not what we need to be doing. We need to be marketing, because that's what the big businesses do. They brand themselves. We can brand ourselves, and they do marketing. We can market ourselves. Marketing is about finding those people that are like us, or that are the avatars, as Chris Colt has said, the avatars of the right type of people for who we're looking for. We can gather them, and we can do that now thanks to social media. Social media has leveled this playing field. But I know some of you are thinking, yeah, but we've been talking about social media and it's confusing, it's hard. And it can be because there's so many different platforms and every single one of them has a different system. And that does get complicated to try to learn. So then you say, okay, well, I'll just learn one, and that's a good strategy. It is a good strategy. But then that means that there's a lot of others that could have your people in it that you're not going to be able to reach. Again, this whole system was put together to make this much, much easier for you to do the marketing so that you're not only getting sales today, but you're also getting them tomorrow, next week, next month, next year. You know what? I've already decided the summit I do in January, it's not the only time I'm going to do it. It's the first time I'm going to do it. How often and all that, that's a whole nother, decision in the future. But I know that who I'm gathering now, it's just going to keep rolling, because there's some people out there that need to do and start and restart businesses all the time. It's just a fact of life. And we need more contacts, because more contacts do eventually lead to more customers who want to buy, that we're not just selling to all the time. Buy from me, buy from me, buy from me. People don't like to be sold, but they love to buy. So make yourself available, build up your database, build up your CRM, and keep in touch with those people. But why don't we do it? Because it's hard. Back in July, when I found this and I was introduced to it, somebody said, hey, would you watch this, come to this thing with me? And I was like, oh, whatever, I don't have time. I've got all these things to do. I've got all this social media to do and all this CRM to do and all this stuff to do. And I've got all these tools and they don't talk to each other, which means I have to do all these things separately. And I have to go find content, and that's hard. So we don't. I was really frozen, truly actually frozen. And then when I saw this, everything changed quickly, because this system uses one tool that most of those don't, and that's called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence goes out and finds stuff for me, builds stuff for me, suggests things, and does things for me. Meaning I do my marketing in about 5 minutes a day for each of my businesses. I have a lot of businesses because I'm an affiliate marketer, but 5 minutes a day with 3 clicks, I do a lot of stuff. I do my social media in 1 click. I do my blog in 1 click. I do my email in 1 click. It's pretty amazing, really. And before July, I was spending a lot of money on all these different things: Hootsuite, Blogger, MailChimp, ClickFunnels, Salesforce, Google, all these things. And yes, I was spending hundreds of dollars. And I know many people, small businesses, paying in the thousands of dollars a month to put this together. And yet none of the things that they were working with even talk to each other, or barely talk to each other, in order to really create a seamless stream of marketing. So that's what this is done differently. Justin Balababa said, hey, we're going to make this better. We're going to think of the independent business owner who's probably worried about that next payment, who maybe doesn't have another mortgage payment worth of income. $2,500 a month, literally, I do know people that do pay that per month, and they're solopreneurs. I mean, that's a mortgage payment. That's a big mortgage payment. So he put this all together into one solution. And like I said, 5 minutes, 3 clicks. 1 click does social media and builds my website and builds my blog in a 2nd click, and builds my SEO in that same click. A 3rd click sends out emails to all my current followers. And then it also includes retargeting. You know what retargeting is. That's when you keep seeing the same ad over and over again. That's retargeting. That's included with this system. It also includes the CRM, the customer relationship management tool. Way better than a collection of business cards or Post-it notes. Trust me, that's not a CRM. But all of this is wrapped up. All of this talks to each other, and all of it is way less expensive than you might be thinking, because this is literally replaces the hundreds to thousands of dollars per month. There's going to be 3 prices on the next screen I'm going to show you. Don't look at the biggest one, because I think I know 1 person who has that package. Everybody starts with the smallest package, and it's $87. $87 allows artificial intelligence to help market 3 products, or 3 businesses, or 3 programs, or 3 avatars that you're trying to reach. Plus gives you unlimited landing pages. Funnels are just landing pages. You can create one, you can create multiple, so you can duplicate them. It's pretty simple to do, and you can it's unlimited. You don't have to pay for each one. Artificial intelligence will even help build them for you. It also includes the retargeting ads, so that you get people coming back to your sites if they've been to your site in the first place. I mentioned landing pages already, and email campaigns. So all of this is wrapped up in one quick program. I'm going to just give you a real quick peek into my back office, and then I'm done. So we're going to go here. Let's see that this works. Here we go. This is one of my websites that I've created, Join Minder Consulting. This is my back office though, and if you look up here, one of my lights is blocking it. I know it says analytics. It shows online ads up in the left-hand corner is where I'm pointing now. Analytics, online ads, websites, email campaigns, social marketing, all included, all at once. Unlimited websites, like I said, so I have one for my summit, I have one for my calendar booking app that I recommend. That's another affiliate program that I do. I can create a website this quickly. I put in a business name, a website name, what language I want it in, give it a URL, included, don't have to go buy it, included URL, category that I want artificial intelligence to build it in, a subcategory, and then it just builds. I'm not going to do that right here. I do have a YouTube channel though, where I go through lots and lots and lots of examples from my back office, and you can see all of that. So just wanted to show this to you. If it's of interest, I'm going to put some links below here. I'll put a link to my YouTube channel. You can check out a ton of stuff over there. I will put a link to this, my affiliate link, if you would please kindly use that, if this is a program you want to look at. If you do, I will give you a $25 PayPal credit just for checking this out, okay? So $87 take off $25 because I will give you a one-time $25 credit for giving this a try once you've signed up and I see that you're in my organization. You do need to use my affiliate code for that, okay? And then I will include a link to my summit, because why not? So this is my summit page right now, and it includes a short video. That was just, create the video, drag it, and drop it into here. And that's what I'll be doing. You can find more of this video actually on my YouTube channel as well. Thank you for listening this long. I hope I kept it short enough. I hope it interests you. If it does, put a link to my calendar app. How about that? And we can set up a time to talk. There are some promotions going right now. One of them though ends in like an hour, so you might have missed that one. But they do have things going on. We're adding in SMS texting, as well as the email campaigns, as well as everything else that's included. All the details will be on other videos and other websites that I'll point you to. Thank you for listening. I'd love, love, love to be part of this. I am not asking you to be part of my business. I am sincerely doing this to help you build your business that God has called you to create, to be your marketplace in the world, to do what you are called to do. I am not asking you to come on and join my team and do what I do. Unless you have nothing else to do, then yeah, come on over. But no, this is really, truly just an amazing tool. It can be used for network marketing. It can be used for independent business owners. I can show you podcasters and authors that are using this platform. It's far less expensive. It's easy to use. It's built for the 99% of us that don't want to be experts in all this stuff. And it really is simple to do. So thanks again, and I look forward to talking with you. Have a great day. And truly, God bless.